Hello friends, welcome to Learners Hub. Today I am going to tell you about a website where you can earn more than $1,000 within a 1 month without spending a single money. There is no investment in this website. As you know, in these tough days of COVID-19, people are losing jobs and also they don't have any other skill. So it becomes too difficult for such types of people, especially for those who are living from hand to mouth, and these people don't have any other source of income. But don't worry, there is the best option, best opportunity for them. They can avail this opportunity on gram free. Yes, they can earn money from this website by using their cell phones and computers from home. This video is a complete tutorial about Gramfree, and I will let you know how to work on Gramfree and how to earn money on Gramfree. Now let's move to the target. First of all, you have to create an account on Gramfree. I have added sign up link in the description, which will take you to the sign up page like this one. Then you have to click on sign up button. After clicking on sign up button, you will find two ways to sign up on gram free. The first one is continue with Facebook, and the other one is continue with Google. Continue with Google, it means it's your Gmail account. I'm going to back because I have created my account, because I have already created my account. So I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, then I will click on continue with Google because I have created my account through Gmail. So I will click on continue with Google. Here you can see this is the interface of Gram Free. Its interface, uh, you can see its interface, and there are five ways to earn money on Gram Free. The first one is by spinning a free roll. For this, you have to click on free. After clicking on free, then you have to scroll your screen and find a roll button. This is the roll button, and click on roll. You can roll 5 times a day and win 1 to 1000 gram in a day. So now I win, you win 1 gram. Now I won 1 gram. So this was the first way. Now we should move to the second way. The second way is a referral. You have to click on referral. After clicking on referral, here you can see this is the uh, invitation link. Copy this one and invite your friends by this link. And on each referral, you will earn 3 gram. So the third way is watching and making videos. Click on watch videos. You can watch 5 videos in a day. Just click on watch and watch a video. There are 5 videos, and the fourth one is make a video on gram free and give a title and paste a link of that video. If gram free team published your team, you will earn 5 gram. And the fifth and last way is to click on smart contracts. When you will click on smart contracts, so then you have to click on take, uh, then click on sign, then yes, and click all confirm buttons. After clicking on all confirm buttons, then you have to go back on dashboard, and you can see your earnings. I I make 9.3 gram on gram free, and the current gram rate is $2.23. So these were the ways. These were the 5 ways by which you can earn money on gram free. If you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel, and we will come back soon with more amazing videos.